Hello everyone, this is Navneeta. Now we are going to study the topic from silk wool. Yes. Now I am going to tell you one interesting story. One day, Neelima went to a flower garden to pluck flowers with her friend Reshma. Suddenly, while plucking flowers, Neelima shouted and started crying by seeing a caterpillar had crawling on her dress. Reshma quickly threw it away. Are caterpillars harmful? Neelima asked. Reshma said, all caterpillars are not harmful. Some are useful too. Do you know? Your dress is made of something we get from caterpillars. So Neelima was surprised and started thinking about how dresses are made up of material obtained from caterpillars. She studied about that in class 6th. The fibers derived from plants like cotton and jute are made into fabric. So, the animals also give us fibers. What fibers do animals give us? Is a way of obtaining them similar to plants? Which part of animal is useful to make fabrics? Neelima asked question after question to Reshma. She wanted to get answer to all her questions. We get fibers from plants and animals. Cotton, jute, decon hemp, coconut plant fibers are useful to make different kinds of fabrics. In the same way, we get fibers of silk and wool from animals like silkworms, sheep, goat, camel, yak, etc. Yes, we get fibers from plants and animals. Like cotton, jute, decon hemp, coconut plant fibers are useful to make different kinds of fabrics. So in the same way, we get fibers of silk and wool from animals like silkworms, sheep, goat, camel, yak, etc. So let us find out about these animal fibers. So here, story of silk. Making of silk or silk fabrics is a very interesting story. This involves various persons and practices. To know about silk, Neelima visited a sericulture exhibition. People there shared the following experiences with Neelima. So what are the experiences? Now we are going to check. So now stall 1. Neelima went to stall 1, that is moth to egg. So this was a stall where eggs and different moths were displayed. Yes? Here, the person is said to Neelima, hello, I am Pratima, living in Palamukula of Rangareddy district. My father works in a seed growing center. Do you know, we call the eggs of silk moth as seeds. So here, silk is like butterfly. We keep those moths in grill mesh boxes in separate rooms. My father takes care of those silk moths. We call them as chilakalu. My father said scientific name of these moths is Bombyx mori. Here, at the time of laying eggs, we arrange white cloth pieces or paper. So moths lay hundreds of eggs on them. So a female moth lays around 500 eggs in one go and dies. Those eggs are very small in size. So farmers from different places of our districts come and purchase these eggs. Most of the times, my father allows these eggs to hatch in special chambers, usually over mats, on beds of chopped mulberry leaves to get small worms. Farmers from different places of our state come and purchases these tiny worms. So sometimes silk moths are also sold. People buy these silk moths to produce eggs. So these centers are called gringages. I saw a big seed growing center at Horsley Hills in Chittoor district in AP, said Pratima.